everyone. So today I have got an exciting video, one that I'm really excited to unbox. I have got the Nivea advent calendar to unbox for you guys. I've actually been watching this advent calendar for quite a while because I have actually fancied it. Originally it was £50, which I thought, oh, that's a bit pricey, you know, for Nivea. Then it went down to 40, but now it's down to £30, which I think is such a budget friendly price. It's a 24-day advent calendar, works out at £1.25 a day. I bought this on Amazon, but like Nivea have their own like page on Amazon. This is the 2025 year one. They do have the 2024 one, which is £40, which I think is madness, but just in case if you were wanting the previous years, they do have some of their previous years ones as well. But the 2025 one is £30. I will have it linked down below for you guys as well. But they actually, when I purchased this, I don't know whether it's still on, but you can actually purchase it and split the costs over 3 months. I mean, at £30 it's very budget friendly in anyways, but just in case, that is an option for you. So it splits it up at £10 a month, which is nothing really when you think about it. Because I know this time of year is such an expensive time of year. We're going to unbox it anyways. This is what it looks like, which I love the packaging because it's so Christmassy. So Christmassy. I'm really hoping it hasn't went back up in price. I'm going to try and get this up as fast as possible for you, so you can get, if you like it, you can order it. I think for £30, I think I'm going to be impressed. I'm very excited. So we've got to remember it's £1.25 a day. Yeah, it's open, like it's got doors on both sides, and we're just going to crack on anyway. So day number 1 is here, but there. Day number 1. We have got the Pure Care Shower Cream and Almond Oil. This is a 50ml. I mean, you can't beat an Nivea shower cream. So yeah, that's a good day. I'm happy with that day for £1.25. We want day number 2. Day number 2 is up in this top corner here. We have got a Nivea Soft Rose Lip Balm, a staple at this time of year. I think that's such a good little one. Smells nice, and that is what it looks like there. Oh, I'm happy with that. I think that's a good day. Right, so that's day number 2. We're on day number 3, which is here. We have got another Nivea lip balm, but the original one, the blue one, just the OG original one. I think they could have split them up throughout, so like had a bit of a space, but I'm not complaining about that. I think it's a good product. And we've got to remember the price per day. I actually don't know how much Nivea lip balms are. I'm very fussy with my lip balms. So that's 3. We're on to day number 4. So if you've used Nivea lip balms, let me know what they're like. Right, this is here. And day number 4 is the Nivea Pearl and Beauty roll-on. This used to be my ride or die roll-on when I was younger, like when I was 16, 17. I'm sure it was this one. I'm quite excited about it. I do like this, and I think this is such a handy product, and I'm sure this is more than what the cost of the day. And it's like a usable, handy product. Dead happy with that. So that's day number 4. When day number 5, which is here, we have got the Nivea Soft Refreshing Stop Moisturising Cream, a 25ml, a lovely little travel size. This is lovely, if I remember, lovely and thick cream. It says you can use it face, body and hands. I wouldn't use this on my face, but I mean some people might. But if I remember rightly, this is so nice and thick. So yeah, what a good product to get. That is day number 5. We want day number 6. It is down here. I love the packaging on this advent calendar. I love it. Day number 6 is the Love at First Sight Nivea cream. So it's a Nivea cream, but in Christmas packaging. Oh my god, I love the Christmas packaging. Love it. It's all sealed up, but this is the OG original cream. This is lovely. I love this cream. Yeah, I'm dead chuffed with that. and this is 30ml. That was day number 6. We want day number 7, which is up here. Oh, we're getting something different. We are getting the Bye Bye Dry Skin Nourishing Face Mask. My niece actually loves this little face mask, this Nivea face mask, so that's nice. I'll probably give it to her, but actually I've got dry skin, so I may try it myself. Around my edges of my nose are so itchy at the minute because my dry skin is like starting. So yeah, that's nice. I think this is quite a budget friendly item. I think this is normally £1, £1.50, so you're getting basically your day's worth on that one. That was 7. We want day number 8, which is here. Oh, this is a good one. We are getting the Nivea Double Effect Waterproof Eye Makeup Remover. My favourite micellar water. I love the Garnier one and everything like that. I know it's very popular, but my favourite out of all micellar waters is actually the Nivea one. But I don't know whether I've tried this by Face one, so I'm quite excited about that. It says it cares for eyelashes, waterproof formula with biotin. Oh, that's canny. Yeah, and that is a good size. That is 125ml. So that is day number 8. We want day number 9, which is yeah. We have got another one. This is the Good Morning Fresh Skin Face Mask. This is a refreshing one, and this is for normal skin. So basically, most people can use this one. And yeah, I've never tried this one, so I'm quite excited about that. I think that's a nice little taste, something different again. So that was 9. We want day number 10, which is a big square here. Oh, so some people might not like getting this product, but I'm quite happy with this product. This is the 3-in-1 Refreshing Cleansing Wipes. It's a full packet of wipes. Now, normally I'm not a big wipe user. I don't buy wipes, but I don't actually mind getting them in like something like this because I will use them, but I won't purposely go out and purchase them, you know. And they're 100% plant-based tissue, so that's good. And they're microplastic free formula. So actually, I think they're quite good for the, well, not good for the planet, but better than most wipes for the planet. Do you know what I mean? So that's good. That's day number 10. I went to day number 11, which is here. And where is my little Paul? Oh, I love the design on this calendar. I love how Christmassy it is. I really wish more calendars were more Christmassy designed. We have got a head wrap. So I've got quite a lot of head wraps. I think I could douse myself in head wraps. I've got that many. But I do actually quite like this style of head wrap, more for face masks and stuff, because it's like a spa style type of head wrap. I'm not keen how it's got Nivea there. I think I would have preferred it just not to have the logo, because then I just think that me personally would have preferred that, but that's just me being a nitpick. So that was 11. We want day number 12, which is here. It's this one here. And we have got the classic Rich Nourishing Deep Moisture Serum. I'm not the biggest fan of this product in general, to be honest. I like a deep body, like a thick body butter type product. And yeah, this is just one of them ones I'm not the biggest fan of. But it's a good product. I know a lot of people like it, but it's just not my personal preference. And I think that is this side fully open. So we need to turn the calendar around. And we need to open this side. So now we're on day number 13, which is, yeah. We've got something in a box. And it's in a little box with Nivea on. Oh, we have got a little Nivea branded beauty sponge. That is really quite cute. I like that. It's something different. I think it's random because this isn't like a makeup calendar, but it's something that would get used. It's a very usable product, so I'm not mad at that. And I like that it's in a box, you know. It's not just come loose like there in the door. That was 13. We want day number 14. which is down here. Oh, we've got a bit of skincare. We have got the Soothing Day Cream, the 24-hour moisturiser for sensitive skin. It's got SPF 15 and it's free of perfume. I think that's such a canny one. This is 50 mils. Bit of actual skincare. I quite like that day. I think that's a good day. I'm happy with that day. That's 14. We want day number 15, which is here. I'm sure I said 15 before, but ignore me if I did. Oh, we have got an eye mask. We have got a lovely, like, it's quite thin, I will say, but I love the design, like navy and gold splots or dots, circles, whatever way you want to say it. Eye mask, I think that's so lovely. Yeah, I like that day. It's something actually I use all the time, so I don't think that's too bad of a day, you know. But it is, I will say that it's quite thin. So that's 15. We want day number 16, which is here. We have got another one of these. So this is our a duplicate product, because I'm sure we're getting this already. The Nourishing Face Mask, again for dry skin. I don't know whether this was meant to be a different face mask. It'd be a bit of a bummer if you don't like this face mask and you get it twice, but I think maybe it's a mistake and it was meant to be a different one in. I know my niece loves this, so I'm not going to complain either way. But yeah, that's like a duplicate product. We've already gotten that this month. So that's 16. We're on day number 17, which is down here. Another large door. Oh, so yeah, we've gotten another duplicate product. We've gotten another Nivea Pearl deodorant. It looks exactly the same as the other one as well. I mean, I'm not complaining because I will use these products. They're very usable products, but I don't know how I feel about having duplicates. But these are products you would use every day to day. So that's 17. We want day number 18, which is up here. We've got something that's in a little box like this. Let's have a look. Oh, you open it like literally like a present. Oh, it's them hair grippy things. It's just plain pink little hair grippy things. These, that was the wrong way around. These seem to be in every advent calendar going. I'm not going to complain at it, but I do feel like we could have got 4. That is me complaining. But yeah, I do feel like we could have got 4 of them. Just like personal preference. But yeah, that was day number 18. We went day number 19. I really did definitely think we would have got more shower gels, like Nivea creamy shower gels and stuff like that. But we've only had one, haven't we? So at 19, we've got another duplicate day. We have got the Nivea Pearl Lip Balm again. I don't know whether this is a fault or not. But yeah, that we got that again. Okay. Day number 20, another big square day. So this is looking nice, like exciting. Oh, it looks like something different. I can't get into it though. We have got a little mini deodorant. It is the Nivea Black and White Invisible Clear Antiperspirant Deodorant. This is such a fab size for me for work. So this will probably just go in my bag for work. Yeah, I don't really like using like deodorants with aluminum in, but sometimes it's just handy to have them in your bag. So yeah, that was day number 20. We went 21, which is here another big square day, I feel like. We have got, oh, I love these, some lovely little heart socks. I think they're so cute. Yeah, I like them. I like them. Okay, I like that day. That was day number 21. We want day number 22, which is this one here. We've got another shower cream, and it is just a little mini one again, but really nice product. I like this size and all because great for traveling. So yeah, that was 22. We want day number 23, the day before the last day. I don't know where our 24 is. But day number 23, which is here. Oh, this is different. We have got the refreshingly soft moisturising cream for face, body and hands, but I often use this one for hands. I'm very fussy at the minute with what I'm putting on my hands. My hands are literally just starting to get back to normal, which is so good because I've had a horrendous time with my hands lately. And yeah, that is, I would use this as a hand cream, but it says you can use it for your face, body and hands, so it's your personal preference. Good size, 75ml. That was 23. Our last day, day number 24, which is here, is what I love, this product here. This is what I was on about, the micellar water. This is, to me, my favourite ever micellar water. I'm so glad this product's in. Yeah, this site has been a little bit of a duddy site compared to the first site because a couple of items have been like duplicates, but this kind of made up for it because I do love this product. It is 100ml, so an alright size. And yeah, I absolutely love this product, so I'm so chuffed that this is in this advent calendar. So chuffed. And it is your final day. That is the Nivea 2025 advent calendar. And even though we had a couple, maybe it was a three duplicate products or 4 duplicate products, I am happy with this. For £30, I am definitely happy with this for what we got. I would have been very disappointed if I paid the £50, I'm not going to lie. But yeah, I'm happy with this for £30. I think it's a really good advent calendar. Let me know what you guys think of this advent calendar for £30. I will have a link down below. I will have a link down below for you guys as well. But I think this is a canny one. I'm very happy with it. I'm glad I got it. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like these type of videos, I would love it if you subscribe down below. And I will see you all in my next